Azurite, also known as the Stone of Heaven, is a natural wonder prized for its vibrant blue color and spiritual properties. Composed mainly of copper, carbon and oxygen, azurite displays a striking blue hue due to the presence of copper ions. This mineral is not only visually stunning, but also carries a wealth of spiritual and historical meanings. Since ancient times, azurite has been valued for its various applications. In the past, it was widely used as a blue pigment in works of art, including famous paintings such as the Mona Lisa. In addition to its artistic use, azurite has played significant roles in different cultures. Artistic pigment, azurite was one of the most important sources of blue pigment in the history of art, used by different cultures to create impressive works. Age of Copper and Bronze. This mineral is also associated with the Age of Copper and Bronze, crucial times in the evolution of human societies, when metals played a vital role. Healing properties. In lithotherapy, a practice that uses crystals and minerals to improve physical, mental and emotional health, azurite is known for its healing properties. It is used to treat a variety of conditions, from emotional trauma to energetic blockages. Meanings and spiritual properties. The name azurite comes from the French azurite, reflecting its striking blue color. This mineral is much more than a simple stone, it is a catalyst for exceptional psychic energies. It is believed that azurite can awakening intuition, facilitates access to intuition, clairvoyance and mediumship, helping to expand spiritual perception. Relieve emotional trauma. It is effective in releasing emotional traumas and negative energetic patterns, including those from past lives. Promotes self-knowledge, helps on the journey of self-knowledge, providing a deeper understanding of oneself and the universe. Additionally, azurite is associated with mind control, the practice of deification, and the promotion of acceptance. She is seen as a spiritual guide, helping to develop mediumship and expand consciousness. Azurite is a versatile stone with numerous benefits. Increases intuition and spiritual perception. Azurite is known for its ability to amplify intuition and spiritual perception. When using this stone, many people report a deeper connection with their spiritual guides, facilitating access to information and knowledge that goes beyond common perception. It acts as a portal to higher dimensions, allowing for an expansion of consciousness and a deeper understanding of the universe. This strengthened connection can help with meditation practice, reading Akashic records, and other spiritual activities that involve seeking wisdom and guidance. Furthermore, azurite helps develop abilities such as clairvoyance, clairaudience and other forms of extrasensory perception, making it a valuable ally for those who wish to explore and deepen their spiritual capabilities. Relieves stress. One of the most appreciated properties of azurite is its ability to relieve stress. This stone has a calming energy that promotes mental and emotional clarity, helping to dissipate accumulated tensions. When using azurite, it is possible to feel a sense of peace and tranquility that facilitates relaxation and meditation. This is due to its ability to calm the mind and balance emotions, creating a state of serenity that is essential for facing daily challenges. Azurite is especially useful for those who suffer from anxiety or live in stressful environments, as it acts as a protective shield against negative influences, promoting a clear and focused mind. Overcome emotional blocks. Azurite is a powerful tool for overcoming emotional and energetic blockages. It acts as a catalyst for inner healing, helping to release trauma and repressed emotions that may be negatively affecting a person's life. This stone is capable of penetrating deeply into the layers of the subconscious, bringing to light hidden issues that need to be faced and resolved. When working with azurite, it is possible to recognize and release negative patterns of behavior, allowing for positive emotional transformation. Furthermore, azurite helps to clear energetic blockages, restoring the flow of vital energy and promoting a state of balance and well-being. Stimulates creativity. Azurite is also known for stimulating creativity and personal expression. Its vibrant energy activates the throat chakra, which is associated with communication and self-expression. When using this stone, many people experience an increase in inspiration and the ability to manifest their ideas clearly and effectively. Azurite encourages the exploration of new ways of thinking and creativity, and is especially useful for artists, writers and anyone involved in creative pursuits. Additionally, it helps overcome creative blocks, allowing a free flow of ideas and innovations. Strengthens the immune system. On the physical side, azurite has significant health benefits. It contributes to regulating blood pressure and strengthening the immune system. Azurite is believed to help purify the blood and remove toxins from the body, promoting better circulation and a more robust immune response. This is particularly useful for people who want to prevent illness or speed recovery from health problems. Additionally, Azurite is known for its calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of chronic illnesses. With its regular use, it is possible to improve general health and increase vitality. How to use Azurite? There are several ways to use Azurite to take advantage of its properties. Direct contact with the skin. Place the stone on the skin, especially on the third eye, to take advantage of its therapeutic effects. Emotional healing. Use Azurite to heal emotional traumas and negative energetic patterns, promoting karmic healing. Meditation. Hold the stone during meditation to focus on its calming and expansive energy. Jewelry or amulet. Use Azurite in jewelry for spiritual protection and purification of the mind. Learning and personal development. Keeping it close while studying can improve understanding and retention of information. Where to find Azurite? Azurite can be found in several parts of the world, including Arizona, USA, and Namibia, Africa. Mining generally involves digging tunnels through sedimentary rocks where stone forms. Azurite is more than a beautiful gemstone, it is a gateway to self-knowledge and spiritual evolution. Whether used for emotional healing, meditation or as an amulet, Azurite is a valuable companion in the search for a more conscious and balanced life. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the discount coupon in the description to purchase your crystal. If you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos about crystals and spirituality. To the next.